Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and edit text using the AI functionality in the system. So we're here in our AI section, and I'm just going to navigate back to features over here again. And we're going to go ahead and enable this write text with AI feature. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And to demo this feature, I'm just going to come here to my product section. And I'm going to go into my cat bed, and you'll notice that in our description section we now have the AI functionality enabled, and I can go ahead and just click on those little sparkles and ask AI to write the description for me. So I can say, please write a description of this cat bed, make it short and sweet, but also captivating. A little humor goes a long way too. And I'm just going to go with that and say, right. All right. So now the AI has given me this description and says, introducing the perfect cat bed for your furry overlord. This plush haven is designed for maximum snuggles and dreamy naps. So I think that's really great already, but we can ask AI to rewrite it. So maybe I want it to be a little bit different. So let me say, you can get the bed in pink, yellow, and purple, very girly colors, but there we go. And we're going to say rewrite. And so now it's going to go ahead, think a little bit, and give us another option to choose from. So introducing the ultimate cat bed fit for your furry monarch. Available in playful pink, sunny yellow, and royal purple. This cozy retreat is perfect for naps and daydreams of world domination. So it's really going quite hard on the humor there, and that's great. So if you like this one more, you can go ahead and click use, but if you want to use this description instead, you can go ahead and hit use on that. So every time you ask AI to rewrite for you, you'll be able to choose which one you want to use. I quite like the second one. It's got the colors that I've asked for, and I'm going to hit use. All right, so then you can go ahead and add that description to your products. You can also come along here once that description is added, hit that, and you can ask it to edit the text. So here we've got our selected text, and we can give it instructions. So let's just go ahead and say, please make it shorter. I always say please to AI. All right, then we can go ahead and hit write, and it's going to go ahead and edit that text for us. So there you go, introducing the ideal cat bed, and it's just shortened it a little bit. And so we can say, cool, good enough, and I'm going to hit use. And so now that text has been edited. So we've got a bit of a shorter description. And then of course, you're going to go ahead and hit save. But now you can use this AI text functionality anywhere in the system where text is used. So I'm not going to go through all of the different areas where this feature is available because there are so many places in the system where text is used. But any of those sections, you'll be able to have that AI assistant help you write and edit your text. So that is how you can use AI to write and edit text in the system for you. And that is everything you need to know about the AI functionality of the system.